In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Discord Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can show your screen smoothly during a call. First, open your Discord app on your phone. Give it a second to load your servers and chats. If you haven't used it in a while, you might see a quick update or a permissions prompt. Just allow what it needs so the call and screen share work properly. The layout on iPhone and Android is very similar, so these instructions will feel familiar no matter which device you're using. Next, join a voice chat or call a friend. If you're on a server, tap the voice channel you want and then tap Join Voice. If you want to share with just one person, open your direct messages with them and start a voice call from there. You don't need to turn your camera on unless you want to. Screen sharing works with audio-only calls. If your phone asks for microphone permission, approve it so others can hear you while you're presenting. Once you're in the call, look at the call controls. On mobile, you'll need to scroll or swipe up on the call panel to reveal more options. This brings up a drawer of buttons. Find the one labeled Share Your Screen or Share Screen and tap it. Your device may show a confirmation message explaining that everything on your screen could be visible. On Android, tap Start Now on the system prompt. On iPhone, you might see the screen broadcast panel. Make sure Discord is selected, then tap Start Broadcast. You'll usually see a brief countdown and then your screen is live to everyone in the call. From this point, anything you open, apps, photos, or your browser will be visible to your audience. Keep in mind that notifications can also appear on screen, so it's a good idea to tidy your home screen and close anything you don't want to show beforehand. If your device shares system audio, adjust your volume so viewers can hear what you're demonstrating without it being too loud. Using headphones can help reduce echo. When you're done presenting, return to the Discord call screen and look for the screen share indicator. Tap it to stop sharing. If you're on iPhone, you can also tap the red status bar or screen recording indicator and select stop, then hang up the call when you're finished. That's it. Open the app, join a voice chat or call, swipe up and choose share your screen. With a little practice, you'll be sharing like a pro